East facing Triplix Villas sale, 180 square yards, 3000 SFT build-up area, 4 bedrooms. At present 80% work done. Second coat painting, tiles, electrical works are pending. We are entering here east facing. Here car parking. Here plantation. East entrance. Here open kitchen, wash area, and here dining and big window. Here sit out area, here sitting, and here storeroom, marble staircase, and here guest bedroom. Fall ceiling work also given builder. Here western toilet for the guest bedroom. Work is going on. Fall ceiling work also going on. We are going first floor. Marble staircase. Is there any changes customer will do? Will plan for customization is there. Tiles or marble, whatever customer choice. In first floor, 2 bedrooms. This is master bedroom. Size is 20 by 14 size. And attached western toilet and dressing room. Western toilet and dressing room. Second coat painting is pending. Here sit out area. Sit out and another bedroom, third bedroom. This is also 20 by 14 and attached toilet. Attached toilet and dressing area. And here puja room, or you can use the store room. Here sit out area, balcony. Opposite west facing villas. At present these villas are in Nizampet, surrounded by apartments and gated community projects. West facing houses also 180 square yards and same Triplix villas. We are going second floor. Second floor also staircase marble granite. Here fourth bedroom. In second floor also fourth bedroom and attached dressing room and toilet. Attached dressing room and toilet in fourth floor. Fourth bedroom. Or you can use it as home theater. Here home theater. Builder given fall ceiling. Fall ceiling work is going on. And here sitting balcony, terrace. And the staircase per penthouse. Staircase per penthouse. Their water tank and everything is there. These west facing houses also available for sale. Present builder offering price 1 crore 65 lakhs. Bank loan available. Ready to occupy within 2 months. Total work completed. Small gated venture, Nizampet village. From Nizampet Jain to main road, roughly 3.5 kilometers. Ready to occupy, Triplix villas at Nizampet. Again I will show you the ground. Again repeat the video. This is second floor. Bedroom, 20 by 14 size. Attached western toilet and dressing area. In fourth floor, first bedroom. Here railing and already given marble granite tiles. Granite. In first floor, 2 bedrooms. This is master bedroom, 20 by 14 size. A western toilet attached and dressing area. Here TV unit. And second floor, first floor, second bedroom. This is also 20 by 14 size. Attached toilet and dressing area. Here it is balcony. Balcony opposite villas. Here it is puja room. Customer will plan for customization. There is a changes possible at present. This stage. Bank loan also roughly once year coming for loan customers. This is ground floor, east entrance. Here sit out area and open kitchen, wash area. Here it is dining and guest bedroom. Fall ceiling work is going on. Attached bathroom and western bathroom and dressing area. Ready to within 2 months total work completed. Ready to occupy. Opposite west facing houses, 180 square yards. These villas, total 12 villas. At present 3 villas are for sale. This is the front end elevation for the house.